Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 AI niches that can literally retire you. And the amazing thing is that you don't need to even show your face. Yes, you don't need to show your face, irrespective of your age, your location, the nature of your work. If you are a 9 to 5 worker, if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you are a student, it doesn't even matter. So these are niches that are highly in demand. So I'm going to be showing you 5 AI niches that you can venture into in 2026 that will make you to stand out, that will be creating stream of income for you. As a matter of fact, AI is no more the future. AI is now the present. We are living in the AI age. That is the age. Yes. So we are living in that revolution. It's no more the future. So if you want to stand out, and if you want to move with the world changes, you have to adapt. You have to venture into AI, because now that is not yet saturated. I know you may feel that AI is already saturated. It's not. Every day new tools are coming up, yes, are coming out, and this is the time for you to get started. You will regret if you don't get started today. Let's get right into this tutorial without much ado. Alright, I'm going to be using this board to explain this for you step by step. Number 1 niche, AI niche that you can venture into is number 1 is nursery rhyme niche. Nursery rhyme niche is in high demand. It is very rare for you to see a nursery rhyme channel that has below 1,000 views. This is to tell you that nursery rhyme is a gold mine. And you know what? Nursery rhyme channel is a kind of channel that if you succeed with it, it will generate income for you over time. Because children, every day children gets to watch, and you know how children behave. When it is a video that interests them, they want to watch over time. And if you try to deprive them that, they will cry. That is to show you that nursery rhyme channel, nursery rhyme content is a gold. So if you want to venture into a faceless YouTube channel to stand out in 2026, this is one of the niche you can venture into. Nursery rhyme channel, nursery rhyme niche. It will make you to stand out, and it will help you to generate income over time. And the fact is that you don't need to show your face. You are using 100% AI tools to generate this. Starting from the voiceover, the videos that will be displaying, like just watch the screen, you will see what I'm talking about. I've created a content like that, yes, on this channel. Number 2 AI niche you can venture into in 2026 that will make you to stand out is now, this is how-to tutorials on AI tools. This is you trying to show people how to use AI tools. For instance, when CapCut came into existence, a lot of people did not know how to make use of the tools. So it is people like you and I that were able to introduce people to this tool, to teach them, to educate them on how to use the tools. The same thing with ChatGPT. When ChatGPT came into existence, a lot of people did not know how to use it. The same thing with Grok AI, a lot of tools, Fireflies.ai, a lot of AI tools. Yes, when they came into existence, people did not know how to make the most out of them. So it is you and I that knows how to use the tools to navigate through it that will teach people. So you can stand out as well by teaching people AI tools, how to use them, how to navigate through them. And you can do this 100% without showing your face, because you are just using your screen recording to record your screen, yes, and then show them how to navigate it without you showing your face. There are some people that even go extra miles up to using AI voice to teach without them even using their voice. So that is to show you that you can make it without showing your face. And you can see that every day they are launching new AI tools. So you will always have something to teach. The next niche, AI niche you can venture into in 2026 that will make you to stand out is Fractal Story. This one is a gold mine. Please do not mind my handwriting. Okay, do not mind my handwriting. Okay, number 3 is Fractal Stories. See, I want to tell you something. People love story. Even you that is watching me right now, you love story. Especially when it is interesting story that has to do with moral lesson, story that educates you, story that makes you, that keeps you on suspense. So if you come up with a story that is unique, that will make you to stand out, and that will make people to watch you over and over again. And you are using fully 100% AI tools to generate this story, starting from the scripts, yes, and then the narration, everything is fully AI. So we are using fully AI tools to generate your story. The voiceover is AI, everything is fully AI. So if you want to stand out in 2026, make sure you venture into any of these niches. I'm telling you, go through Folktales channels. Just go through, search for Folktales stories. You will see a lot of them. They are gathering views, millions of views, even billions of views, thousands of views, because they are telling story. People love story. Like human nature, we want to sit and listen to story. Yes, especially when it has to do with bad story. So that is to show you that you can venture into African folktale story, any story you want to come up with, then make it interesting, make it with, let your story has moral lesson and suspense. So the next AI niche you can venture into in 2026 is motivation. Motivation is AI. So this is you using AI tools to create motivational story, motivational speeches, speeches that encourage people. Yes, do not give up, do this. See, I personally, I love to be motivated. Someone who wants to succeed in life will want to be motivated. And we need all these motivations to keep us going in life. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Keep pushing, do not give up. All these things keeps us going in life. So you can use AI to create motivation 100% fully AI without you showing your face. So if you want me to stand in between the gap to show you, I can show you. I can teach you all this. I can teach you. If you want me to teach you, just message me, send me a mail. I'm going to guide you, but it is not free. The last AI niche you can venture into in 2026 that will make you to stand out is animal. Yes, animal. Let me just say animal. Animal. What am I writing? I want to write animal. Animal. I believe you've been watching animals helping human, how animals saving human, maybe duck, maybe a baby want to fall inside a river, inside water. Then one of the sudden duck just jumped from somewhere to save the baby. You've been watching something like that and you'll be like, oh, what if the dog did not go now? What if the dog did not save the baby? These things are fully automated. They are using AI to create all those things. And it makes sense. Yes, so animal saving human, animal helping human, animal saving. See, I believe you've been seeing this. There's a particular channel that is into cats. Cats. Yes, that channel is creating cat-like content. Meow, something meow. Cat will be doing meow, 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 meow. People love to watch. So it is high time, if you want to venture into any AI niche in 2026, think of these five. Think of these five. They are gold mine. I'm telling you, they are gold mine. It is something that I've made a research. In fact, I've started a Faceless channel, which I'm not going to tell you. And you will not know that it's my channel. I've started a Faceless channel. And you will not know it is my channel because I'm using 100% AI tools to generate the content. Do you understand? And you can do it anywhere, even in your office, wherever you are. You can create all this content. So if you want to start out in 2026, maybe you're a kind of person that you want to see your face, you want to show your face. I'm a shy person. I don't know what to say. I always miss words. I don't know what to say. I always miss what to say. AI tools will help you to script your content, to generate the visuals, everything 100% fully automated with AI tools. Okay, so if you need someone to teach you, I can help you. I can teach you. Yes, you can send me a mail at routinevictoria65@gmail.com. You can send me a mail and then I'm going to help you set up your Faceless channel in 2026. Remember, it is not free. Okay. All right. I hope you really found this video helpful, and please be expecting more of this. I will be using this board to do practical because most times I need a board like this to practicalize what I'm saying. Yes. So when I'm talking about the theory, I will also practice to show you. Yes. So expect more of this, and then I'm going to be guiding you more on how to create AI content in 2026. So expect more of me, more of AI content in 2026. Surely, 2026, we are not dulling. We are not dulling and we are not giving up. So I hope you too get ready, get prepared so that at least you will have one Faceless channel to boast of in 2026 that can be generating income for you. Not only do you generate income from YouTube partnership program, you can as well partner with AI company. You can sell tools. You can use affiliate links. Let me not go far. But if you want to learn from me, just come. I'm going to teach you everything. I'm going to reveal to you. You can make money secretly. Yes, you can make money secretly without people knowing that you're actually making money. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like. I said like, and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.